Hello, this is Drew Nelson here to show off the VR Snowman Decorator project that I got to work on with Tori. This demo is going to be using the Google Cardboard VR technology developed in Unity, and to move around we're using a Bluetooth controller. So to start, the user is immediately placed into our winter world, and we're first going to show off the lighting. The Christmas star in the scene acts as the diffuse light, which only applies to the snowman. The user is able to pick it up and move it around, and you can see how the illumination on the snowman changes. Next is our snowman accessories to drag onto our snowman. Over here, you can find the accessories for the current node selected, which right now is just the base of the snowman. We added some breathing room when interacting with an object, so you don't have to be exactly precise. Once they're happy with the positioning, the user can release the object, which then connects it to that node, in this case the base. We'll now change the node so we can see the torso accessories. Same concept applies here as well. For the torso, we have some arms which we'll now add to the snowman. Next up is our head node. For this node, we have a carrot nose and a top hat which has special functionality. And for any of these objects, the user isn't limited to how many of them they can place on the snowman. If they want, they can have 4 arms, 8 legs, or 2 noses, whatever they prefer. When the top hat is added, it brings the snowman to life. We can now see the perspective of the snowman and what he's looking at. By default, we can see that the snowman is looking towards Santa's sleigh, which is up in the sky. I think that's enough decorating for now, so let's move our snowman. Our Bluetooth controller allows us to change the node, the transform mode, and the transform axis. As you can see, I'm playing around with some of these options. You'll see that no matter where we move the node, the primitive's relationship to that base node stays the same. This happens because we've manually implemented the parent relationship between the primitives and the nodes. This behavior follows closely to the object hierarchy relationship that's usually in the Unity editor. And that should do it. Thank you for stopping by.